In the previous video, you learned how to customize customer information in the Address tab when adding a new customer on Blixo. So, in this video, we will guide you through the Options tab, which lets you customize your customers' payments in a few easy steps. Let's get started. The Chasing field is a handy tool that lets you keep track of your customers' bills. If a bill is due or late, you can use the Chasing feature to track it down. The best part? It's super easy to use. Just flip the toggle switch to enable or disable chasing. And if you want to learn more about how it works, there's even a separate video that goes into detail. Don't forget to watch it. Next, Allowed Payments is a feature that lets you allow your customers to use credit cards or ACH when making payments. When you tick the checkbox, the feature is activated, and vice versa. A credit card is a tool that can help your customers borrow money, cover expenses in a pinch, and establish a good credit history. ACH is an electronic fund transfer made between banks and credit unions across the automated clearinghouse network. We will dive into this in another video. The last feature in this tab is Auto Convert Quote. A quote is an estimate of the cost of goods or services, and an estimate is a formal offer to provide goods or services at a specified price. In Blixo, quotes can easily be sent to customers. When a customer views a quote, they can accept the terms of your legal agreement on Blixo. Then, Blixo automatically converts the quote into an invoice that they can pay. Blixo supports different payment terms, including deposits, prepaid retainers, and net 30 arrangements. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Want to take your business to the next level? Blixo can help. With our platform, you can grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting. Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.